Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off captions on Jupitrr AI. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say you don't like the captions that are being used within your video. How do you actually go ahead and turn them off? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first, what we're going to do is hop onto one of our demo videos here. Next, what we're going to do is that from here, you're going to actually go ahead and click on subtitles. And then notice how the style says none. If this was turned on, you would then see captions here. But if I go ahead and turn this off, the captions disappear. So with Jupitrr AI, the captions are usually all turned on or all turned off. Here you could actually go ahead and edit your transcript to make sure that your captions do read correctly. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn off captions on Jupitrr AI. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.